Hello guys, Welder Art here. Today we're gonna make a little review and unboxing of the new product from company Grom Art. Grom Art is the new company from Poland dedicated to producing resin figures of Polish special operators. The figure, as you see, is inspired by assault operator from the Unit Grom fighting in Afghanistan 2013. The figure is equipped with a grenade launcher, AT4 and assault rifle, a Heckler and Koch. Figure is in 1/35 scale. So now we're gonna check what is inside the box. After the unwrapping the bubble foil, we got two packages of the string foil with our figure parts. Now we're gonna make a little close-up on the details of the figure. First, I would like to check a fit of the parts. Yeah, of course, we got a few imperfections, but with quick sanding sponge and scalpel, we will get the part nicely fitted. As you see, a hand with the grenade launcher is not fit well, but quick treatment and the part will fit perfectly. The same with the left hand. As you see, not bad. Let's make a little close-up on the head of the figure. As you see, it's very good details. The main gun assault rifle is presented like this. You can easily recognize any elements of the weapon. Torso and waist, it is also well made, as you see on the close-up. We can easily see many pouches and pockets for the stuff. The legs of the figure have a well-made pants with the knee pads and sign the arm on the belt. And another hand. This is what the figure looks like when assembled, and I must admit it looks good in my opinion, and I can't wait to be able to paint it. If I had to advise you to buy this figure, of course I'm yes. And if you are an enthusiast of the special units, another yes. And if you're looking for a figure with good details and good workmanship, I can safely recommend this product. And another yes for me, it's the only one company in the world that produce figures of Polish Special Forces from Grom in the resin. Okay guys, so that will be it. Thank you for watching. So if you like what you see, give me a like and leave a comment. And if you're new here, consider to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the new videos and live streams coming out your way. Stay safe and build models. It was Welder Art, over and out.